Which bird is the fastest flyer? Peregrine falcon, golden eagle, frigate bird. The answer is peregrine falcon. Which bird has the largest wingspan in the world? Andean condor, wandering albatross, white pelican. The answer is wandering albatross. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird, kingfisher, swift. The answer is hummingbird. Which bird is known to mimic human speech the best? Myna, crow, parrot. The answer is parrot. Which bird has the longest migration journey? Arctic tern, bar-tailed godwit, swallow. The answer is Arctic tern.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.